if you're a travel enthusiast looking for a way to document your adventures, FindPenguins might just be the app for you. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details and see if it's worth your time. FindPenguins is designed as a digital travel journal that allows users to log their journeys in a visually appealing way. You can pin your locations on a map, add photos, and even share your experiences with friends or keep them private. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy for anyone, from tech-savvy travelers to those who prefer simple solutions to navigate through the app. One standout feature is the ability to create a travel map that shows where you've been, a great visual tool for tracking your adventures. However, it's important to note that while the core functionality seems solid, some aspects feel a bit limited. For example, the customization options for your journal entries are somewhat basic, and there's a noticeable lack of integration with other travel planning tools. Overall, it feels like a good start, but there are areas where more depth could enhance the user experience. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, FindPenguins is user-friendly and visually appealing, which makes documenting trips enjoyable. The mapping feature is particularly engaging, and sharing options add a social element that many users appreciate. However, there are some frustrations. The customization options are limited, which might disappoint users who want a more personalized touch to their entries. Additionally, the app lacks robust integration with other travel apps, which could streamline the planning process. Finally, while the app is generally reliable, some users have raised concerns about data privacy and how their information is stored. If you're someone who prioritizes extensive customization or data security, you might want to consider other options. In conclusion, FindPenguins is a solid choice for casual travelers who want a straightforward way to document their journeys. However, if you're looking for advanced features or greater customization, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you enjoy sharing your travels with friends.